Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain the IUPAC system of those compounds which contains more than one functional groups. It means those compounds which contains two or more different functional groups. So look at the example. Suppose you have the example of this compound. So, as you know, this organic compound contains two functional groups, that is hydroxy group and carboxyl groups. And as you know very well, in earlier classes, in 11th class, you have learned the priority table for different functional groups, and we know that carboxylic group is more prior than hydroxy group. So numbering is start from carboxylic group side. 1, 2, 3. And this OH group is used as a prefix to hydroxy. Hydroxy means OH group is used as a prefix. That's why it is named as hydroxy. And 2 is the locating number of hydroxy group. And propanoic acid is the parent name of this carboxylic acid, because it contains 3 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3. That's why it is named as propanoic acid. Next example. This group also contains two functional groups, that is aldehydic and that is ketonic group. And you know that aldehydic group is more prior than ketonic group. So numbering will start from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. When ketonic group is used as a prefix, then it is named as oxo. 3-oxo. Butanol. This carbon chain contains 4 carbon atoms, and aldehydic group is the parent group and ketonic group is the prefix. That's why its IUPAC name is 3-oxobutanol. Next example. In aromatic chemistry, suppose there are two functional groups, hydroxy group and carboxyl group. This compound is the very important organic compound, and its commercial name is salicylic acid. But what is its IUPAC name? This group is carboxylic and it is prior. That's why the number is start from this carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. Its IUPAC name is 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. Okay, this type of nomenclature belongs to the priority table. Which group is most prior than other? It is ketonic group, it is halide. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 bromo, 4 carbon atom and on. Butane, 2 on. This is the IUPAC name of this compound. Okay. So there are various examples in your syllabus which contain more than 2 functional groups. So you use priority order for the IUPAC system. Okay. Thank you for today. Thank you.